Okie dokie. Today for you on Dave's Cooking Show, we have maple cookies. Super easy to do and actually pretty delicious. So what we have in the mixer bowl right now is 1 cup of butter, followed by 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Just going to turn the old mixer on, and basically I'm just going to kind of cream those a little bit, beat the shit out of them. All right, after you've basically creamed the butter and the sugar, it's time to add some of the other ingredients. About a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and a cup of real maple syrup. And I mean the real stuff, the stuff in the glass bottle. Don't get the imitation Mrs. Butterworth's stuff. 1 cup real maple syrup. Turn this back on, and basically you want to mix until everything is incorporated. Okay, now that the batter has come together, it's time to add the dry mix. And the dry mix consists of 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and you could have a bit of sugar set aside just for decoration. Also, at this point, it's a good point to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, because once this is incorporated, and again, you want to kind of slowly add the dry mix, about a cup at a time, give or take, because once all the dry is mixed in with all the wet, we're going to roll them into balls, put them on a cookie sheet, and pop them in the oven. Okay, I didn't, unfortunately, shoot the, making the dough into little balls for the cookies. But basically you want to roll into, depending on the size of cookie you want, a 1/2 inch to 1 inch ball. Place on the cookie sheet and pop into the oven that's at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Remember, you do pull cookies a little early because they're going to cook for another minute or two on the cookie sheet. So after 8 to 10 minutes, we'll show you what they look like. And this is what they look like when they're done. And that's really it. So maple cookies, done.